Alright, today we're going to take a look at the free Lightroom preset and profile named Postcard. Then we're going to add some beautiful highlight roll-off and a film grain texture. Let's take a look at our free preset first. Here's before and here's after. Really nice. You get an adjustable preset and you also get this profile. So the profile you can really dial up. Gives it that toasty warm look right there. Alright, now we're going to take a look at the creative flow. I'll show you how I created that. Let's go to the bright. I went all the way down to Sandy. I really like this one right off the bat. Cool thing is you can use the profile on its own, but let's say you wanted to mix something else in, and I'm going to go to the Chroma Pro and all the way down to color. So that just adds another layer just to a touch. So now I'm going to add a bit of a highlight roll off and a film grain texture. So we're going to go to our lab tools here at the top and let's give it a ISO 400. It's going to build a series of AI masks and these are fully adjustable. If you want to really fine tune this, you can go into the AI mask. So for example, we have grain. You can just dial it back to where you see it works best. Then you also have diffusion. This gets rid of that digital look in your photos. So it just adds a bit of blurriness. I'm going to go right at 24. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version of this preset and profile named Postcard. And I'll also put a link to the Creative Flow, which is your ultimate Lightroom workflow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.